Kinsey, I need your help. Will you make me a new quest-giving icon, please? This isn't gonna attract the right kind of attention.
Hello there and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kinsey and today we are going to be helping my buddy Mordakin out. I've never really made anything like this before, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it all. I have taken some EVA foam to make faux windows. Now we are going to mix this 2-part epoxy to pour inside of it, let cure for about 24 hours, and then go from there. This quest icon is being made for my friend Mordakin at his YouTube channel, Mordakin's Eye. It is a lot of fun over there, especially if you are into RPG or real life role-playing of any times, LARPing, any of it. Head over to his channel and have some fun on the adventures that you're sent on. Everything's cured and ready to go. I reinforced all of the edges to this with a gardening wire. It really is going to help just make it sturdy and give it its shape, make sure it doesn't leave its shape. And trying to figure out the process of making this form a little bit more sturdy was definitely a challenge. This piece is also a great example of why you should try to plan out your projects a little bit better instead of just going fully into it without knowing anything that you're doing. I did have to take this piece apart a couple times, but I do like how it ended up in the end. It's supposed to be an exclamation mark, and I decided to make this one glow just so it gives that real RPG, you came across a wizard or a quest giver in an RPG. And for those of you who are not gamers and more of artists on this channel, an RPG stands for role-playing game. And some of my favorite role-playing games would be like Baldur's Gate or any of the Final Fantasies. Here's what our exclamation mark is looking like so far. Although with my cultured knowledge, this does kind of look a little bit more like a hibachi. Now that the form is created and the lights are inside of it, I need to make a hardware stop. The goal was originally to make this a magnetic piece that fit onto the green hat that Mordecai was wearing in the beginning of this video. I did not, however, have that magnet, and I went a little too hard in the project, and the balancing and weight distribution was not working out. So I decided to go ahead and get some bolts, and we are going to screw this inside of one of my old top hats. Like I said before, this project was very poorly planned on my half, so I did have to cut this open to make all of this work. Here you can see me holding it in place as the glue re-dries, and then I will add another layer of foam clay and repaint. Thank you so much if you've made it this far into the video. You are the real MVP. All of your support means the world to us, and we could not be doing this without you guys. Here's the reveal. Make sure you are following Mordakin's page so you can see what he ends up doing with this hat and all of his quests. He will be linked in the description below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you later.